Making $100 a day might sound like a dream, especially if you're looking for ways that don't involve grinding away at a 9-to-5 job or working yourself to the bone. The good news is, there are surprisingly simple ways to make this happen, yes, even if you're feeling a little lazy. By focusing on smart, low-effort strategies, you can build a steady flow of income without sacrificing your comfort. Let's start with renting out your stuff. Got a spare room, a car you rarely drive, or even tools and equipment lying around? Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama make it easy to rent out things you already own. You're essentially letting your assets work for you while you sit back and collect cash. Next, there's affiliate marketing. If you're active on social media or have a small blog, you can partner with brands to promote their products. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Setting this up can be as simple as signing up for programs like Amazon Associates or Sherry Sale and casually sharing links to products you already use and love. Cashback apps and rewards programs are another low-effort gold mine. Using apps like Rakuten or Honey when you shop online can help you earn a small percentage back on every purchase. Over time, those cashback rewards add up, and it's essentially free money for doing what you'd be doing anyway. If you enjoy watching videos or browsing the web, sites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars pay you for completing easy online tasks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you're already binge-watching or scrolling, why not earn a few bucks in the process? Another great option is selling digital products. You can create something once and sell it over and over again with minimal upkeep. Think printables, ebooks, or simple templates for things like resumes or social media graphics. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it incredibly easy to set up shop and start selling. For those who prefer passive methods, dividend stocks are a fantastic way to generate regular income. By investing in companies that pay out dividends, you're essentially getting paid just for owning shares. While there's an upfront cost, the long-term rewards can be substantial, especially as your portfolio grows. If you're into photography or design, you can upload your work to stock photo or graphic design platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your content, you get paid, making it a perfect way to monetize your creativity without lifting a finger after the upload. You could also dip your toes into print-on-demand services. Sites like Redbubble or Printful let you design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. They handle the production and shipping, and you earn a profit for every sale. All you need to do is come up with quirky or trending designs. For the bookworms, narrating audiobooks or offering voiceover work through platforms like ACX or Fiverr can bring in decent income. With a quiet space and some basic recording equipment, you could be earning while enjoying the process of reading. Next up is renting digital real estate. If you own a website or blog with decent traffic, you can rent out ad space to businesses looking for visibility. You don't need to actively manage much, just set it up and let the passive income flow in every month. Next, consider peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals and earn interest on repayments. While this requires a bit of upfront cash, you'll essentially be earning money passively as borrowers pay you back. Selling unused gift cards is another easy option. If you have gift cards sitting around that you'll never use, platforms like Raise or Card Cash let you sell them for cash. It's quick, effortless, and turns clutter into money. Digital course creation can also be surprisingly low maintenance. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare let you create a course on a topic you're good at. Once you upload it, you can earn money every time someone enrolls, making this a set-it-and-forget-it income stream. If you enjoy gaming, play-to-earn games are becoming a thing. Certain games reward you with cryptocurrency or other virtual assets that can be converted to real money. Imagine earning cash for something you'd likely do for free in your downtime. For foodies, becoming a taste tester is a delicious way to earn money. Companies pay individuals to sample and review products. It's an effortless way to turn your love of food into a mini income stream. Virtual assistant gigs are another great option. You can sign up for platforms like Fancy Hands to complete small administrative tasks for businesses or entrepreneurs. These gigs often don't require much time or expertise, and they can add up fast. If you have a car wrap advertising can generate income. Companies will pay you to drive around with their ads on your car. You're already commuting. Why not turn your vehicle into a moneymaker? For people with a creative streak, customizing and selling thrifted items can be profitable. Buy inexpensive items from thrift stores, add some flair, and sell them on platforms like Depop or Facebook Marketplace for a markup. Data entry jobs are another simple and low-energy way to earn. Many businesses outsource small data entry tasks that you can complete from the comfort of your couch. Don't forget about selling unused domain names. If you've ever bought a domain name that's just sitting there, you can sell it on marketplaces like GoDaddy or Flippa for a quick profit. If you're into fitness, selling workout plans or fitness challenges can be lucrative. You can create a one-size-fits-all program and sell it repeatedly with little effort. Flipping free stuff can also be surprisingly profitable. Check out sites like Craigslist for free items, spruce them up, and sell them for a quick profit. If you have time to spare at night, remote customer service jobs are a great option. Many companies hire for night shifts or flexible hours, and the work often involves answering simple queries or troubleshooting. You can also watch ads for money. Yes, it's that simple. Platforms like Inbox Dollars or AdWallet pay users for watching advertisements. It's not glamorous, but it's easy money while you relax. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of freelancing for microtasks. Websites like TaskRabbit or Fiverr allow you to offer simple services, from writing a quick email to running errands. While you're not actively building a career, these small jobs can easily stack up to $100 or more per day. The key to these lazy methods is choosing something that fits your personality and lifestyle. You don't have to hustle in the traditional sense to make $100 a day. You just have to work smart, leverage the resources you already have, and let small efforts compound into consistent income. Remember, sometimes less effort can lead to bigger rewards if you focus on the right strategies.